Hi and welcome to my channel, Black Beauty Lifestyle. Predominantly you'll see videos on beauty, might do a bit of my own fitness journey and perhaps a little bit of fashion thrown in here and there. But is there anything else you want me to talk about? Please just comment below. Today's look, inspired by Brown Melanin Makeup Palette. I've already done one look. You'll see one of my other videos on this palette, but it was such a gorgeous palette. I just had to do another look. These are the colours. Aren't they just sensational? And today I'm predominantly using this colour here, and this is called Tari. But I just thought it's just a glorious colour, and the formulas are just so lovely. I mean, that's the colour there. It's just beautiful. So we'll see this look, see how it transpires. Predominantly my face underneath is with all my Fenty, from my primers to my foundation to my concealer. Contour. What else have I got? Concealer. So contour. Oh yes, a little bit of bronzer. Eyeliner is Fenty. So yeah, predominantly Fenty, but then finish off with Brown Melanin Makeup. So what do we think? If you want to see some more of this, or I'd say it's more beauty for the older, mature black woman and what you can actually do with it, stay tuned for more upcoming videos. So whilst you're here, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so you'll see when I'm dropping some more videos. As I said, predominantly beauty, there'll be some fitness journeys, some bit of fashion as well. And if there's anything else you want me to talk about, then please comment. So this is the finished look. What do we think? Thank you for watching. Until next time, love yourself and be happy.